How to know if your phone is linked to another device. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now let's begin. Now the first step you need to do is to go and open your phone settings. Then on your phone settings, you are going to see your profile. As you can see, for me, I'm using Huawei. So at the top there is my profile. So tap on your profile. Then it will land you here. So you are going to tap on account security. Then once you are here, you are going to scroll down a little bit. Then you will see devices at the bottom there. Tap on it. And as you can see here, remove any device that you don't recognize or no longer use. So you'll be able to see the list of devices that are connected, that are linked to your device. So if you are able to see devices that you do not recognize, then you need to remove them. Now this is the first method. Now another method that you can use is you will close settings. Then you will go to your Gmail app, open Gmail, then tap on your profile icon on your top right corner. Then manage your Google account. Then once you are here, you will scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see your devices. Tap on it. Then here you are going to see the devices that are linked to your device. So as you can see here, I have 3 sessions on Android phone. This is Huawei Y9 Prime. And then I have OnePlus 5. So I do not recognize this OnePlus device. So I'm going to tap on it. Then you need to verify. Now once you've done that, you are going to sign out this device to unlink it to your device. So just tap on sign out. Then sign out. This will remove access to your Google account from the device. Tap on sign out. Then OK. Then the device has been signed out, as you can see. As you can see at the bottom there, signed out. So again, you will continue to scroll down. Now this is Windows, my computer, which I have connected. I've used it several times and I've linked it to my Android phone. So this, I do recognize them. So that's simply it, guys. That's how to know if your phone is linked to another device. And I hope this video was useful. And if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one.